are we going?
To the nearest airport.
Not the kind of guy that says, I told you so.
Looks like they've been spotted around 35 miles south of here, near Sedona. There are officers in pursuit.
Let's take the chopper.
This is the kind of situation where something bad happens.
Easy! God damn it, I don't like this!
Jack. Let's find out when we get there. Come too far. Too far. I'm too close.
All right. Come on. Right.
Here we go.
Hello. Hello.
Oh. Am I lucky or am I just good?
Is that Marvin?
Hey, I'm the best.
Marvin?
Hello, Jack. You dumb.
Come on, you fucking pain in the ass! Wait a minute! You move, I'll tear your lungs out!
See you in L.A., Jack.
Yo.